got one more jump to go.
Are you happier? Hi! Amazing.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Pat Max Adventures. I am Patrick, and today is my first full day here in Coron, here in the Philippines. As you can see, it is a beautiful morning, and I am super excited to finally get out and explore the islands of Coron and do these island hopping tours. Later on in the video, I'll explain the tour that I chose and how much I paid for it. I actually bought a dry bag. Yes, a dry bag. If you don't have one, you can buy one here. I bought a 10 liter for, I believe it was 400 pesos. Not the cheapest, but it's definitely gonna come in handy if you don't have a bag that's waterproof. I love my bag. Thank you. Thank you. Well guys, so that was my official first tricycle ride on the outside, which was pretty fun, pretty interesting. If you do it, make sure that you hold on to the bar because they will make pretty sharp turns. This is definitely a journey out to the boat. I made it onto boat 2. Got one more jump to go. And made it. Once everyone was safely on board, we made our way out to sea with the waves splashing. We had a good group of people. There were about 16 of us. You could see other boats passing by with the beautiful islands in the distance. It was a beautiful day. This was everything I was hoping it would be and more. Our first stop was CYC Beach, which is a little island with a beautiful beach and a nice area for snorkeling.
Are you happier?
Yeah, I am.
Come on then.
There were also some local Filipino guys selling beer, snacks, soda that you can purchase and relax, and you're also contributing to the local community as well.
Have a nice job, man.
Slow and steady always wins.
Our second destination. I thought I'd come out here onto the bamboos here just for a little more aesthetic, right? This area is called the Coral Garden. Looks really beautiful, a great place to jump. The CYC island area over there was really beautiful. There were some fish. The snorkeling was good, but I'm expecting the snorkeling to be really good in here. So let's get into this water. Coral garden here was beautiful, so many different color reefs here, it was gorgeous. However, I do want to share with you guys and point out that there was some coral bleaching, and I think that's important to understand. If you don't know what coral bleaching is, that's when the temperature of the water gets too hot for the coral and then it dies. And this comes from the temperature rises around the planet that are devastating for coral. So I think it's important for everyone to just recognize and be aware of what happens with coral bleaching. So always remember that we cannot replace these beautiful corals. So we've made it to our third destination. This is Shipwreck. which I am assuming there's a shipwreck under the water. So it should be a really cool snorkeling area. Just finished lunch. Lunch was really good today. They served sticky rice, there was some chicken, fish, of course you gotta have the cola, Sprite, some vegetables, and some pork. I actually really liked the pork. It had good seasoning, so I think it's about time to get back in the water. Oh, and it's moving a little too.
Yeah.
Would you say, is this a small sea urchin here, or would you say this is a larger?
Small one? Or small?
This is a smaller one. Wow, that's a smaller one. Wow, look at it.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Shit.
You can see like its mouth or eye, or what is it?
That's huge. Holy hell.
It's a small one. So we've arrived at our fourth stop of the day. This is Little Lagoon. If you come here, you must wear a life vest. You cannot swim without it. And what you do is you basically do what everyone else is doing. You jump in the water and you swim through the lagoon here. No coral here, just swimming, relaxing, and the beautifulness of the Philippines. That was the Twin Lagoon, guys. Pretty beautiful. As I'm trying to reach for the bar here, and there are some amazing people on this tour. Somebody that really wanted to be introduced. This is Emma. And Emma, where are you from?
Hi.
And how many beers have you had today, Emma?
It's my first, Patrick.
Oh, your first. Okay.
Hi. How many have you had?
0. I'm a rum vodka person. So Emma, where are you from?
I'm from Jersey.
Jersey. This is Megan and Lucy.
Hello.
So what do you guys think of this tour in the Philippines so far?
Amazing.
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 I have to agree with them too. I cannot believe I've waited so long to come here.
Patrick, will you shout over if it's any good?
I'm sorry?
When you go up there, will you shout us if it's any good?
Yeah, I'll show you if it's any good.
No,
just shout them, whether it's worth getting off.
Shout to you.
Whether it's worth getting off.
So on this one, this is our 5th stop. Emma and Megan have decided to just chill, relax. Yeah, they're gonna watch
on Instagram later. You can crop a picture.
Now we needed to move across the boats over into the rigid rocks. It's a little trek through these rigid rocks to Barracuda Lake. Barracuda Lake is composed of fresh water and salt water and is named after the large barracudas found there. This place was absolutely gorgeous. The water was super clear and you could see these huge, rigid, sharp rocks stretching all the way down. Every corner of this lake was filled with these beautifully sharp, rigid rocks, and you could also feel different layers of water. The temperature varied as you went through this lake. Thank you so much. This is Charlie. She was amazing today. Thank you so much.
Hello, my friend.
Hello. Thank you.
Okay.
That was amazing. So just made it back in town, guys. That day was so much fun. The people on the tour today were awesome and so much fun. When you do these tours in these countries like the Philippines, Thailand, Malaysia, you never know who's gonna be on your tour. And when you have a group of really fun, interesting people, it makes the tour all the more fun. I cannot be more grateful to Charlie, who was our tour guide. She did an amazing job, and she was an amazing photographer to everyone as well. So when you go on these tours, definitely give a big thanks to these people because they work really hard. I just made it back to my dormitory here in Coron. Today was so much fun. The tour that I booked today and did is called the Ultimate Tour. You can find different companies around the city of Coron offering this tour. The total cost was 1,400 pesos, and it was so much fun. Everyone on the tour was amazing, and it just made the experience so much more fun. If you guys have any comments or want to share any of your stories here in the Philippines and here specifically in Coron, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks again for watching, guys, and remember to live every moment to the max. I am about to sleep to the max. I'll see you guys next time.